Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an insurance claim with State Farm step by step clearly. To start an insurance claim with State Farm, first, gather all necessary information regarding the incident. This includes the policy number, details about the event, and any relevant documentation. Next, visit the official State Farm website or open the State Farm mobile app. Log into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Claims section of the website or app. Select the option to file a new claim. Follow the prompts to provide details about the incident, including the date, time, and location. Be prepared to describe the events leading up to the incident. Upload any supporting documents, such as photos or police reports, if applicable. After submitting your claim, make note of your claim number for future reference. You may receive an email or notification confirming that your claim has been received. Next, a claims representative will be assigned to your case. They will review the information and reach out to you for any additional details needed. Stay in communication with your claims representative throughout the process. They can provide updates and guide you on the next steps. Once the claim is evaluated, you will receive a decision regarding coverage and compensation. If your claim is approved, follow the instructions provided for receiving payment. If you have any questions during this process, do not hesitate to contact State Farm's customer service. Make sure to keep a record of all communications for your reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.